A consumer watchdog being defunded by the Trump administration has dropped its lawsuit against a Utah company. I'm Fox 13 investigative reporter Nate Carlisle. We've been explaining how changes in Washington, D.C. are rippling to the Beehive State. One ripple washed up this week at the federal courthouse in Salt Lake City. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, or CFPB, filed a motion dismissing its lawsuit against a Draper company called Acima. The CFPB had accused the company of using deceptive practices as it sold rent-to-own agreements to customers. Acima denied that in court. It is a subsidiary of Rent-A-Center, though the parent company was not named in the lawsuit. The CFPB is meant to look out for consumers, and Fox 13 has reported how the Bureau has recouped tens of millions of dollars for Utahns. But conservatives have long complained it is redundant, that other agencies can do its job. Friday, I spoke to University of Utah law professor Chris Peterson. He once worked for the CFPB.
This case has not yet been proven in court, but they're very serious allegations. But the CFPB is just abandoning that case now, and it sets a very troubling precedent.
Is another federal agency capable of picking up this case?
I think that's very, very unlikely right now. Congress created the CFPB to do precisely this type of activity, and now, without any authorization from Congress, the agency that's responsible for doing this is being stood down and essentially wiped out. And that's really not consistent with the way the Constitution was designed.
Acima was represented in court by the brother of new U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi. The CFPB still has one lawsuit pending against another Utah company. That's likely to be dismissed too. In the studio, Nate Carlisle, Fox 13 News, Utah.